The Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar addressing the media and saying there's no question of Siddaramaiah resigning, saying my Chief Minister will not give in to the pressure. In fact, saying that the entire India bloc is with Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and there's no question of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah resigning and the Chief Minister will not yield to any pressure. The Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar addressing the media. Interestingly, just a little while ago, the BJP also addressed the media where they said that the Chief Minister's name has cropped up, after which the governor had given his go-ahead. My colleague Deepak is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Deepak, we just heard the BJP press conference where they said that the governor's notice came after the petition was given by several anti-corruption activists. And now we have Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar also saying that the entire cabinet is strongly with Siddaramaiah and there's no question of him resigning.
Yes, quite a strong assertion and statement that is coming to the fore, not just from the Deputy Chief Minister, but many of the cabinet colleagues, at least 10 of them. They're seated together. We'll, of course, be getting, their reaction very shortly. They did address their press conference and say that this is an opposition government in the country which has been formed with a thumping majority, with over 135 MLAs and support of independents as well, that they've here formed this government, and it's an attempt to destabilize it. The Deputy Chief Minister, they're referring to certain statements that were made by the BJP leaders as well in the past, that the government would collapse, and he says that they're using institutions and more importantly the governor's office in itself, and they're going to take this up legally and politically and fight it out is the claim that has come in from the Congress party, even as BJP on the other side continues to mount pressure and say that if the Chief Minister continues to hold that position, the constitutional position of the Chief Minister, and an investigation is ordered, then there cannot be a fair investigation, and that's the reason he needs to step down, is the demand that's coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. As far as the Congress is concerned, they are saying that is not possible at this point in time and it is not necessary, and a fair probe is going to go on, and this is just a means to target the Congress is the claim.